Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our second chapter, that is the exponent and powers. So students, in the last video already we have studied that different examples by using this we have solved by using the laws of exponents. Yes, we have solved that. So many problems we have solved. How we are solving this problems by using the laws, especially the laws by the using, because to easily can solve that problems. So same like students, some other problems also I have written on the some examples. Also we have to solve by using this laws of exponents. So look at the students. First question I have written here. Example 1. Find the value of x. In this equation like that, it is there our simplification, that the equation is there, and in this we have to find out that what is that value of x. Okay. So look at the students here. First of all, we have to write the solution. So first write the question, students. I am writing 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 whole power minus 3 into minus 2 by 5 whole power 11 is equal to minus 2 by 5 whole power 3x plus 2. Okay students, so now we have to solve it. So first of all, what you have to do, students, one thing you have to remember, the students, here the base, first of all you look at the base. Okay, so minus 2 by 5 whole power minus 3 into minus 2 by 5 whole power 11. Okay, so first of all we can do that base if same, the power will be r, we can do this. Okay, so what you can write, minus 2 by 5 whole power minus 3 plus 11 is equal to, what will do, minus 2 by 5 whole power 3x plus 2. Okay students, now look at the here students. Now what you can write, we can simplify a little. Minus 2 by 5 whole power minus 3 plus 11 is equal to 8 is equal to minus 2 by 5 whole power 3x plus 2. Now here you have to understand, students, here both sides, this is the equal sign, both sides the base same, so hence the power also equal, same base having the equal powers. Okay, so what you have to write it, so hence what you can write, 3x plus 2 is equal to 8. Okay, because since both sides bases are same. Okay, both sides bases are same, so hence power also equal. Remember this one thing, when that both bases are same, at that time what will happen, the power should be equal. So now we can do that simplification by equation. So now this 3x plus 2 is equal to 8. So this 2 will go that side. So hence 3x is equal to 8. This is plus is there. That side will go, it will be minus. So it's equal to 6. So it implies 3x is equal to 6. Now x will have to find out. X is equal to 6 by 3 is equal to 2. Hence the x is equal to 2. This is our answer. Okay students, I hope you have understand first of all what is that want to do. So step by step we have to do, students. First of all, the both bases are same, the power will be added. Okay, so since the what is that formula, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. This formula with we are finding this one. Okay, next, now both bases are same, so power also equal. Both sides bases are equal, or that means that both bases are equal in the both sides. In equal of both sides, bases are same, so power also equal. So now I written 3x plus 2 is equal to 8, or 8 is equal to 3x plus 2. Now we have to simplify. We have to find out that equation. This is a linear equation. We can find out the value of x. So this 2 will go that right side. So that it will become, it is big. The left side is plus, so right side will go minus. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So 3x is equal to 6. X is equal to division. This 3 will be multiplied, the right side will go division. So 6 by 2, 3 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. Okay students, so same like students, we can solve it Another examples which one I have written on the board. So find the value of m. Here find the value of x. Here also find the value of m. For which the m whole to the power 5 whole to the power m division 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power m. Okay. So write down the solution first of all. 5 to the power m division 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. Okay. So what we can write now, students? Look at the students. See, the both bases are same, and that division is there. So what will be? Power will be subtract. So 5 power 5 m minus 3 is equal to 5 power 5, which implies 5 to the power, this minus into minus means plus, so m plus 3 is equal to 5 power 5, which implies, now look at the students, whenever base both are sides same, like how like we have done that both sides bases are same, now this equal of both sides bases are same, so that's why power equal. So what we can write? M plus 3 is equal to 5. So m is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Hence m is equal to 2. Okay. In this cases also we got that m value how much? 2. So which cases? Here we can write both sides bases are same. Hence, so thus power also same. Okay. Thus the power also will be same. Okay. Now students, you can see the next other problems one in there. Students, I have written here exercise 2.2 first bit and second bit some questions I will do. Remain things you have to do. Evaluate first question. First bit 3 to the power minus 2. So what the students already I have told, if 3 to the power minus 2, then it is reciprocal 1 by 3 to the power 2 is equal to 1 by 3 to the power 2 is equal to 9. This is 1 by 9. Same like students, this one what will be right? Answer will down right students. So 2 by 5 matlab 1 by 2 by 5 whole power 1 or is equal to 5 by 2. Okay. So remember the students, if the reciprocal is there, negative sign is there, just to the fraction number we should change 5 by 2. Okay. So now look at the here students. Either write the following in the form of a p by q. Particular question I have written, that we have to write in the p by q form. So what you have to do, if it is a negative number, then we can write it 1 by 3 by 5 or is equal to 5 by 3. This is our p by q form, where p is equal to 5 and q is equal to 3. So students, homework for you, exercise 2.2 first bit and a question number 1 and a 2 bits you have to complete, and other remain I will send that our school of homework. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.